Today with me, I have a beast of a laptop here. Something about this very laptop is that I love the way you can rotate it like to any angle you want. As you can see, I'm playing with the rotation for a reason best known to me. I just love the system. I've actually admired the system since like 2018, not until last year I got it and I had to just make a review about this very system. So this is HP Revolve and it works this way. So if you need to get the system, you can get it in the comment section. It uses this old charger, HP charger of course, and it has all these slots at the back. As you can see, the USB slot is at the back, every other thing is at the back. So basically, what I love about it is actually the hinges, and you have your tablet button that makes you operate Windows on the tablet mode. So you can actually see it's actually very slim and portable. And one of the reasons why I love the laptop is actually the size, and it has a keyboard light, as you could see. So everything looks great at the design end. So it looks good when it comes to design. You could see your audio jack, you could see your SD card slots, and that's where you're going to turn it on. You turn it on from the side. It doesn't have a button to turn it on. All you have to do is to toggle where to turn it on. And that is this basically. I just had to review the system, not because of anything, just because it's one of the systems I admired. And if you were to get this, just comment in the comment section and I will tell you how to get this basically. So it has a battery you can detach, a very large battery. The battery is actually very okay. The battery life is very okay. It's not so expensive, it's not so cheap, it's just at the middle of things. So basically you're going to enjoy this laptop because of the features it entails. It works like a modern system, but then it is quite old, and I've been enjoying the experience so far. So this is something you would love to get if you are into coding, if you're into basic virtual assistant work. It's not so high for graphical work because it doesn't have a good graphics card, but then you could manage it for other tasks that are not related to graphical or video kind of tasks. But if you want to do basic things, not really basic things, because this is a Core i7 laptop, it's actually an high-end laptop. I've used it to code, and basically you can actually use it to code as well. It is the best fit for coding, and the keyboard light makes it fantastic. The mouse trackpad looks okay and it works perfectly well. So this is a system I would recommend for a low level. You don't really have money to buy a high-end spec laptop and you want to do complex tasks like coding. This is actually the system for you. And this is the camera looks great. I'm trying to test it out with the sound, so let's hear what it sounds like. So whatever you think about this very laptop, tell me in the comment section. If you need to get this and where to get it, tell me in the comment section. Like this video, share with your friends. I'm beloved Ejigbe. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.